I'm Alex, a 16-year-old content creator from Edmonton, Alberta, trying to make YouTube a passive income. And that's why today I'm bringing to you guys a day in the life with the Pixel 9 Pro XL here in Edmonton. So currently I'm at the Southgate Center. The Apple event was yesterday and we're going to be checking out the Apple store, seeing if they have some of the new items on display or if they're going to be releasing later on. And so I started my day a little bit late. It is currently 12:17 p.m. I am rocking 5G Plus at full bars and my phone is currently sitting at 74%. So earlier today I was doing some editing and using the phone, so I kind of drained the battery. But right now we're just gonna head into the mall, see the Apple store, see if they have those items and go from there. And I am also rocking the Pixel Watch 2 right over here that is tracking my steps, my heart rate, and so forth. Now, the nice thing about the Pixel ecosystem is that you're able to see the battery percentage from your Pixel 9 Pro XL of your Pixel Watch 2. So that's what I'm running right now. And overall, my Pixel Watch 2 is at 25%. I just got it straight out of the box. Now, Pixel does claim that it has up to 24 hours of battery life. So we will see how it holds up being at 25%, if we're gonna get like 4 hours, 6 hours, or somewhere around there. So I'm just gonna head over to the Apple store, grab a little bit of B-roll footage with the nice 10-bit HDR 4K 30 on the front camera, or the rear camera I should say, of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and go from there. Leaving the Apple store back there, and unfortunately they didn't have anything on display. They said that it'll be coming probably later on in a week or two, because apparently they just found out about it yesterday. Obviously we all knew that the Apple event was coming up, but it's just kind of interesting that they didn't have them like in the back ready to be put on display and all that. So I'm not exactly sure how all that works behind the scenes at Apple. But yeah, that is the little Apple store visit. It was nice to compare the camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, comparing it to the flagship Google, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And yeah, we're just gonna go grab a little bit of Starbucks, and then we're gonna head down into downtown and see how the camera performs, see how the battery and all of that performs. So I got my Starbucks, I got the Pixel 9 Pro XL right over here. So I'm just walking away from the mall. Overall, I'm pretty impressed how the Pixel 9 Pro worked in video. So about photo, I'm not quite sure how it did. I took some photos with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them side by side throughout this video. And I want you guys to comment down below which one is the Pixel and which one is the iPhone. So I'm just gonna switch it up a little bit, see what you guys think, see if you guys can tell the difference, and if you can, how bad is it or how good is it? And if you can't, that just means that they're pretty similar and you're gonna have to rate it 1 out of 10. So I'm just gonna head back over to my car. I'm currently shooting on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The sunlight's looking pretty good. And overall, Pixel 9 Pro XL has surprised me in the video domain. I'm not gonna lie, that 10-bit HDR is pretty good. So I'm not sure if I already mentioned this, but I'm gonna be heading over to downtown and we're gonna be checking out the train. I'm gonna be taking the LRT probably from one of the university stations into the city. I want to test out the video, the photo on the Pixel 9 Pro XL when there comes into architecture, when lots of vehicles is into play, low light, highlight, the river, all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll catch you guys once I get to the train station. Alright YouTube, so we just made it to the University of Alberta College campus, as you guys can see. Matter of fact, I've been living in the city for like well over 5 years and I've never come actually on campus. And I have nothing to be doing in campus. I just decided to park here because I I'm gonna check out the University Station, LRT station, that I've always been like going through, but I've never actually like gone through it, through the subway and so forth. So we're going to be checking that out, getting into downtown, going to the library in downtown, the brand new library, nice little architecture. We're going to get some work done there, seeing how the Pixel 9 Pro XL is holding up. Currently on 5G, and we are running at, let's see how much battery, 62%. So far it's been doing good. I mean, I was playing Bluetooth and using Google Maps, and overall, you know, I can control my music thanks to my Pixel Watch 2. I'm gonna be walking backwards because the sun is like in front of me, so if I like turn like this, you guys can still see me. It's not that bad, but we're gonna head over to the station and I'll catch you guys later. Alright, so I absolutely have no idea how I ended up where I ended up. I saw this thing on Google Maps while looking for the University LRT station called Hub Mall. And I was like, Hub Mall? Like, I've been living here for such a long time, and you're telling me there's a mall that I don't know about? So I guess it's basically a mall for like university students. And sorry, that guy just said my name, but he was on the phone, and I was like, well, what? You know me? I guess it's like a mall for university students, and they could like go in there, grab some food and all that. It's pretty cool. And so I'll show you guys like the front of it. And so yeah, that's basically what it looks like at the front. And then it connects to like this thing called the Rutherford Library. And I don't think I was supposed to go in there because I'm not a university student. And there's just like a bunch of people studying and all that. So pretty cool, honestly. But yeah, now I'm gonna head into the LRT station. This is probably like the only underground station in Edmonton that I don't feel uncomfortable going in because it's at the university and like nothing's gonna happen. But the ones in downtown are pretty sketchy. So wish me great success when I head into the city, and I'll catch you guys later. Bro, y'all see what I'm saying by it's sketchy? Like, alright, so I made like a do-it-yourself at-home tripod over here on top of like the fire hole thing. I'll show you guys like a little video, but this is what I'm doing right now. And the reason why I'm gonna do this, I have my AirPods Pro 2. This is for the iPhone. I also have the Pixel Buds A series. And so in the video that's gonna be linked right up here, I made a little unboxing and first impressions of these earbuds. This is what they look like inside the ears. And I'm gonna play some music. We're gonna see how it works. Alright guys, so I just got to the public library. As you guys can see, I did a little bit of vlogging, like b-roll and all of that. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has been holding up pretty good. My watch is currently at 16%, but I've been able to control my music, get notifications, read them when I'm walking, crossing the street, and I don't want to take out my phone, which is super convenient. My battery is currently at, let's see over here on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, is currently at 45%. So considering that I've been taking lots of the B-roll shots with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and reading notifications using Bluetooth on the Pixel Buds A series. Everything is holding up pretty good. Again, just as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I still need to get used to the Android UI, but overall I haven't found the need to reach out for my iPhone other than when I'm talking to you guys and hotspotting and using my iPhone as my primary device. So I feel like if I use the Pixel for like a good amount of time, other than missing iMessage and FaceTime and like AirDrop and a few features like that, I would say that I could get used to the Pixel Pro 9 XL, surprisingly. Everything is looking good. I've gotten lots of compliments, especially on the university campus. Kids were asking me, or old kids, young adults were asking me, hey, is that the new Pixel? I was like, yeah, they, checked it out. They were pretty impressed. So overall, that's that. It is currently 2:06 p.m. and my earbuds drained about 7%, but they're recharging in the case, which is currently at 51%. And yeah, so far, so good. The quality on the earbuds is pretty standard. The bass, I will say, is pretty good. Adaptive audio does work. I do know that when I jumped into the train, the adaptive audio kicked in and like kind of kicked out a lot of the train engine noise. But obviously there's no noise cancellation, there's no transparency audio, so you just hear the music, but it's just closer to your eardrum. That's really the only difference than just playing the music off of your phone speaker itself. But yeah, I'm in this like cool little place on the second level of the library. It's like some engineer space or whatever, and they have like some tables. So I'm just gonna sit out here for an hour, 2 hours, edit some videos, and yeah, scroll through my day, get some stuff done, some office stuff, and I'll catch you guys later. So I just finished editing one video. Make sure to go check it out right up here if you haven't already. It was when I went to Vancouver not too long ago, and I tracked my suitcase, my checked luggage, with an AirTag, and it worked. Even though it was a direct flight, I mean, I knew my luggage wasn't gonna get lost, but I was just trying to see if it was gonna work through the plane, through everything, through the whole travel journey. But anyways, the video is currently exporting. It took me about an hour. I was really able to like lock in and just focus on creating content. Whenever I'm in like a public space, a cafe, a library, I tend to focus a little bit better than when I'm at my home office in my bedroom. So I'm gonna try to start coming out here more, like going to a cafe, a library, or so forth, just in a public environment where I could just like really focus and lock in. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has been holding up pretty good. I didn't really check it while I was editing. I just took like a few pictures, a few B-roll. It is rocking 5G. It is at full bars. I'm at 38%. My watch is almost done. Like the battery's almost dead. Let me see the battery percentage here. But yeah, it is at 9%. My Pixel Bud A series have been sitting in their charging case, so they are fully charged right now. My Mac started at 100% an hour ago, and I'm editing 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It's about 5 gigabytes of footage, and it went down by about 27%. It's at 73% right now. So overall, so far so good. I am probably going to just upload this video to YouTube and then jot down a few notes for my to-do list for what I need to do later in the afternoon and the evening. I wish I had more time at the library, but I still do need to take the train back at the university campus. So I'll catch you guys once I'm out of the library. And yeah, hope you're enjoying the video so far. Alright guys, so I am currently at the Churchill Square in Edmonton, Alberta. I just reloaded my ARC card, which is what us Edmontonians use for transit here in Alberta and Edmonton, to like tap in and out of the LRT, the Valley Line LRT, or the bus. But yeah, it's a nice day in Churchill Square, not looking too shabby. So I'm just gonna go down there and we're gonna head over to the university station I'm gonna head back home. I ended up taking more time at the library right back here, editing and doing some office work and all that. But overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has been holding up pretty good. It is currently 5 p.m. so I crunched like 3 hours down, did some work. My phone is currently at 29% and my watch is at 2%. So I think it'll die by the time I get back to the university, but I'm gonna put my earbuds in, listen to some music, and overall the Pixel 9 Pro XL has been holding up really, really good. Alright guys, so we just got back to the university campus, U of A, back at the parking lot where this video all started. It is currently 5:27 p.m. and the Pixel Pro 9 XL is at 5G full bars, 23%. My Pixel Watch 2 died as I guessed, and my Pixel Bud A series I have plugged in right there are currently sitting at 95% battery. So overall, this day has been really good in the Pixel ecosystem. Can't wait to see the new products that Pixel is going to be releasing, that being the Fold phone, the new Buds, as well as the new watch. So I'll be checking those out once they drop. And overall, nice day in Edmonton. Had fun exploring. These are the type of stuff I do in Vancouver and Calgary. And today I was like, let me just do it in my home city. So if you guys like these types of videos, please make sure to smash that like button. Whenever I vlog, I have no idea how the video will end up turning out, especially in these day in the lives, trying to review the product, but also trying to make sure that, you know, I get everything in, I get some cool shots and all that. So it'll be some work to edit, but I'm hoping to have it posted later this week. It is currently Tuesday, so if I get it out by Thursday, I want all of you guys that are watching to subscribe. If you're watching this on September 12th and you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Road to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. We could do it, guys. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and until then, stay techie.